Let's draw a rectangle shape for the makeup palette. Now draw a smaller rectangle inside it for the mirror. Now draw 6 small circles at the bottom for the colors. Great, my little artist! Now draw a tail tube shape next to the palette. Make the top a little wider and add a small base at the bottom. Let's draw a pretty lipstick. First, draw a small slanted top. This is the lipstick tip. Now, slowly draw 2 lines going down from the tip. Great! Wow! Your lipstick is looking so cute. Now, it's time to draw a cute makeup brush. Draw a small oval shape in the middle. Now, draw 2 curved shapes on both sides to make the brush bristles. Finally, draw the nail polish. Draw a small bottle shape, add a long cap on the top. Amazing! All drawings are done. Let's color the palette brown and gray. Now color the circles with the bright colors like orange, green, purple, yellow, pink, and red. Color the small rectangle with the blue color as a mirror. This palette looks like a wall. Now color the brush bristles with a soft brown shade. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe channel for more fun trying. Color the tube with blue and yellow shades. Now color the lipstick. Make the lipstick bright red and pink. So pretty! In the end, color the nail polish pink with a darker cap. Wow, kids! Our cute makeup drawing is ready. Great job, everyone!